Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need power and permissions first. Plug in or confirm the watch is above 30% and your phone is charged. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on the phone, then grant the watch app any required permissions. Make sure airplane mode is off and close or forget other paired devices that might be interfering. Now open the watch's pairing menu and the companion app simultaneously so both devices are actively searching. This starts the actual connection handshake you'll complete next. Once both devices are searching, pick the watch name in the phone app and watch for pairing code or PIN. Confirm the same code on both screens. If the phone asks for Bluetooth pairing or notification access, accept it so the connection can establish full services. If pairing stalls, check for an available watch firmware update inside the app. Installing updates fixes many compatibility issues. Make sure the watch stays within a meter or two while pairing so the signal remains stable during the secure link setup. After pairing completes, finish the app setup prompts and force an initial sync to verify time, contacts, and notifications arrive on the watch. If things fail, restart the phone and watch, then attempt pairing again because soft resets clear temporary Bluetooth faults. Finally, if you still cannot connect after restarts and firmware updates, perform a factory reset on the watch as a last resort. This removes problematic settings. One key tip: if repeated failures happen, try pairing the watch with a second phone to isolate whether the phone or watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.